Hello, welcome to our English class. From today, we're going to learn about vowel sounds. How are you today?
We are good.
Excellent, Kevin.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good, Alma and Pamela. That sounds good. So today we're going to learn about vowels and their sounds. As usually, we always have heard about long or short sound, right? But we never thought about these names, tense or lax sounds, which is the same. But today we're going to learn about these two terms. So let's pay attention, please, and turn off your microphones, and we are going to start. It says that tense sound is when the vowels are called because it occurs freely at the end of the syllable words. In other words, is when occurs a long sound and you feel your muscles tense or tighter. For example, if you're saying the word sheep, you have to make a long sound of the vowels because it's like it's when your muscles are like feeling a tension or they're tighter. The best tip for this sound is whenever you're going to smile, right? You do like this, you tight your lips and you're going to say something like a long sound, okay? Sheep. Any questions?
No,
No,
No, we're good.
No.
Okay, so let's continue. We're going to continue with the next, and this is lax. A lax sound is when they are one syllable at the end, and at the end it's a consonant. The lax comes from the word relax. It means a relaxed sound, in other words, a short sound. So did you know that this word lax came from relax, which is a status that you have to keep your muscles and your body like relaxed, okay? So this is going to be with the word sheep. It'll be like a short sound, sheep, okay? So this is more like a round and very short and quick sound, sheep. So now that we know about these two sounds, we're going to learn about the symbols that we have to know these two sounds. So as you can see in orange color, we're going to see the tense sound. And in the yellow color, we are going to learn about the lax sound. So here we have some words that are examples. And we are going to start with she. Let's repeat it. She. Very good. It's a long sound. And we are going to continue with sheep.
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 It's a short sound because it's a sound that it's called lax. We're going to continue with maid. Maid. Very good. And then we have bet.
Bet.
Bet. Very good.
Bet.
So please repeat after me whenever I'm going to pronounce the word. We're going to continue with two.
Two.
Very good. And took.
Took.
Nice. And we're going to continue with look.
Low.
No.
Nice. And luck.
Luck.
As you can see, all of these have their own symbol. And right now I am going to show you the symbols on my hands and you're going to pronounce. We're going to make an exercise, and a pronunciation exercise. And please repeat after me. E.
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 Can you do this? Please, now it's your turn. All of you, please turn on your microphone, and whenever I'm going to show you the card, you're going to pronounce the sound of the vowel. Let's start. 1, 2, and 3. Go.
E.
Good.
E.
E.
E. E.
E.
E.
Nice. That sounds good. Very good. So now we're going to continue with this one, which is A. And this one?
E. E.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
E.
E. E.
Excellent. A.
E.
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 Nice. Very good. Let's continue with this. You.
You.
Okay. One more time.
You.
Okay. Excellent. And now the last one. And sorry. Okay, let's do it. Nice, very good. So now we are going to, I am going to show you my cards and please make the sound. Let's do it with Kevin. Can you pronounce the sound of this?
A.
Very good. Is this a lax or tense sound?
It is a 10 sound.
Excellent, very good. You're paying attention. Let's continue with Alma, please.
E.
Okay, is this a lax or tense sound?
Lax.
Excellent. And we're going to continue with Pamela. And please, okay, something difficult for you. Let's do with this. Excellent, very good. Is this a tense or lax sound?
Lax sound.
Excellent, very good.
It's a lax
So what's
sound.
the difference between tense and lax sound? Could you tell me, Kevin?
The difference between lax and tense sound are that tense sounds are longer, like when you are smiling. E and lax are shorter, like just very short sound.
Very good, excellent. So here we're going to continue with our presentation, and right here I have some exercise for you. Please pay attention and you are going to focus on my pronunciation by my lips, okay? And you're going to guess what is the word that is being pronounced, all right? So who wants to start? Please raise your hand if you want to start. Who wants to start? Nobody? Okay, I'm going to take, no? Okay, you're brave, Kevin. So we're going to start with Kevin. Please pay attention through my lips, okay? The words are been and been, okay? So let's start. Been. Which one is the word that I'm pronouncing, the first or the second? Been.
The first one?
First one, excellent, you're paying attention, very good. Is this a lax or tense sound?
It is a tense sound
Why?
because it is longer. It is a long E.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So let's continue with Pamela. You're next. Pay attention, please. I am going to pronounce this one of these two words. The first is sleep, and the other one is sleep. Okay, so please pay attention. Sleep.
The second one?
The second, okay, that's
It's
correct. Is this a tense or lax sound?
It's a lax sound
Why?
because it's a short sound and it.
Very good, excellent. And Alma, it's your turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Excellent. Your words are cheap and chip. So
Okay.
please pay attention to my lips. Cheap.
The first one,
All right. Why?
because it's the long sound.
It's the longer
And
sound.
I see
Excellent.
you the smile on your face.
You see the smiling in my lips, right? On my lips. Very good. So here, according to the tense or lack sound, pronounce correctly the following words. So let's start with Pamela. Could you pronounce the first word, please?
Meat,
One more time.
meat,
Okay. Do you think it's lax or tense sound?
is a 10 sound.
Tense sound. Okay. So please, could you do it one more time?
Meat,
Neat. Oh, excellent. Okay, let's continue. Kevin.
It is made.
All right. Tense or lax?
It is tense.
Very good. Alma. Next.
Main,
Tense or lax?
lax,
Excellent. Pamela. Next. Number 4.
full,
Tense or lax?
full is a lax.
Okay. Could you try one more time? Who?
Full is a tense,
Aha,
10
correct.
sound
Why did you know that was a tense sound?
because it's a long sound in U.
Excellent,
Ooh.
very good. Cool. And the last one, Alma.
pull. It's a lax.
I like sound. It's shorter, right? Okay,
Yes.
very good. Do you have any questions for today's class?
No.
Everything
No,
is
we
clear?
don't have any questions.
Yeah.
This is clear.
Okay, so homework. Study tenses and tense and lack sound and give an example of each one in the next class. Okay, guys? So see you tomorrow.
Okay,
See
teacher.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank
See you.
you.
Bye.